everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very quick and easy and simple sweet rice pilaf, or typical Punjabi we call it Zarda rice. The ingredients I'm going to use: 1 cup Basmati rice. You can use any type of rice. Half cup sugar. Sugar is always to taste. You can add more or you can add less. 3 cup water. 1 teaspoon. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil. But I'm going to use desi ghee. To get the Zarda rice color, we're going to use egg yellow food color. All these are optional, but if you add, then Zarda rice pilaf going to taste really good. Raisins, cashews, almonds, shredded coconut, cloves, 2 green cardamom. This is what I'm going to do with almonds. So we're going to break them open. We don't want to crush it too much. Each almonds we're going to break it into like 2-3 pieces. Like this. And I'm going to do the same thing with the cashews. Prior to making a Zarda rice pilaf, we're going to wash basmati rice with cold water. And let's start making our delicious Zarda rice pilaf. First start the burner and get a fry pan or big pot. First we're going to add water, add sugar, cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. The water started to boil and the sugar is fully dissolved. Add food color like a pinch and then mix it well. A little more food color. So altogether we added food color 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to add the rice. I washed with cold water. At the same time, add desi ghee. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, the timing is really important when you are making a rice pilaf. On a high gas, cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes. As I mentioned earlier, timing is very important when you're cooking a rice pilaf. If you need to make a perfect rice, then the timing is important. Now we're going to add almonds, cashews, raisins, coconut, cloves, and cardamom. We're going to mix it. We're still cooking on high gas. Once everything is nicely combined, now bring your gas on simmer and cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes on simmer. I'm going to open it. Zarda rice pilaf is nicely done. Each grain is fully cooked and they are all separate. As you can see. Now I'm going to turn off the gas and spread it evenly like this. Cover with the lid and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. You can eat it right now or give it 5 minutes. That way it will cools down, then you're going to enjoy it more. Waiting for another 5 minutes. And this is very important. When you pull the lid out, just take out straight. Don't put the water inside. I have my serving bowl ready and we're going to dish out. Look at this. How delicious Zarda rice pilaf. I wanted to show it to you. You can see each grain is separate. If you follow Easy Steps cooking method, you will achieve this kind of consistency all the time. And this is a perfect timing as I have shown to you. And let me share with you. Prior to serving, you always can add some more cashews or almonds. And this is perfect. This Zarda rice is always taste well when you have a dahi. This is homemade dahi. I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. This kind of dahi, homemade, look at this. This is a perfect dahi, and I'm going to enjoy this one with rice pulao. Served with dahi, that's a perfect combination. And let me close in and you can see how perfect rice pulao. Our quick and easy sweet rice pulao or typical Punjabi Zarda rice pulao. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.